In example 2, we're told that last year the Youth Soccer League had 226 players, and this year the league has 205 players. We are asked for the percent of change, rounding to the nearest whole percent, and then asked to state whether the percent of change is an increase or decrease. So again, percent of change equals the change divided by the original. So first we want to find the difference, and that would be the 226 players from last year minus the 205 players from this year, which is going to give us a difference of 21. So that's our change, and then our original was last year's 226 players. So change 21 divided by the original, which is 226. It's not obvious right off the bat that anything is a common factor here. 3 isn't a common factor, 7 isn't a common factor, so we'll just go ahead and divide. So this is our, again, percent of change. We'll write the long division problem out here to the side. 21 divided by 226. So 226 will not go into 210, so we need another decimal place because the first one's going to be 0, so we'll go 226 into 2100, and we'll go ahead and try with 9 because 10 for 21 would be, or 10 for 210 would be 2100, so it makes sense that 226 is close to 210. We'll try 9 first. We might have to go down. So 6 times 9 is 54. 4 down carrier 5. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 5 is 23. 3 down carrier 2. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So we are under, and the difference is going to be less than 226. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Bring down a 0. How many times will 226 go into 660? Well, for 220 it would go in an even 3 times, so we know it's going to be less than 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 down, carrier 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. We borrowed 1 from here. We're going to borrow 1 from here. 15 minus 6 is 9. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So it was less than 226. We don't need to go any further because we are asked with this problem to round to the nearest whole percent. So 0.092 ... equals 9.2 ... percent, and rounded to the nearest percent, that is a 9%, and we went from 226 to 205, so it went down. So it's going to be a 9% decrease.